Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Style and Glamour by Ulka. So today we are going to do a new makeup look, which is the latte makeup trend which is going on right now. And so I'm starting with my MAC Fix Plus as a primer, then going in with Maybelline 24-hour skin tint in the shade 220, and 220 is a great match for me. And now I am applying this with a M.A.C Cosmetics flat foundation brush. The great part about this brush is this is covering the whole perimeter of the face, so that's why I love it. And now I'm using my new favorite makeup product which I recently purchased for myself. This is the Nars soft matte concealer in Biscuit, and I'm using a Real Techniques deluxe crease brush to blend it. And now I'm going in with this Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade medium. Today I have chosen this shade because I want to look a bit bronzy, and that's the whole point of this makeup. So I've chosen this orangish reddish undertone shade, so it looks and makes me look a bit bronzier. So yeah, and I think this is the whole point of this makeup. And now I am using a M.A.C Cosmetics flat top kabuki brush as well as the Real Techniques brush to blend the edges of the product. And now I'm going in with Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade banana bread, which is a perfect yellow toned loose powder. And now I'm going in with Ofra Cosmetics Pro Palette, and I'm choosing that orangish bronzing shade to look a bit more, warmer. Now we are going in with this Jeffree Star Skin Frost Pro Palette, which is his highlighter palette. In the name is Ice Crusher, and this shade is Flow Me. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this name right. And oh my god, can you see that straight off the back, the shade, this highlighter is amazing. And now I'm going in with this Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Leo all over my lids, just to create a brown tone base. And this is very similar to the reference pictures that I have seen on the internet. So today we are going to play with this brand new palette from Jeffree Star, which is Orgy palette of his, which has perfect brown, neutral, warm undertones in it. So I am first taking the shade Craving Chocolate, which is the perfect shade which I needed, same like a latte shade. And on my crease I've taken the shade Money Shot, which is a dark tone coffee color. And on the eyelid I've gone with the shade Voyeurism. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right. And Vanilla Latex, as well as I Am Shy on the brow bone and inner corner of the eyes. I just, guys, just love this palette. I'm in love with this. And now I am going in with this Makeup Revolution London Hair Stroke Eyebrow Pen in the shade Dark Brown. This is the perfect shade for, a dark brown eyeliner. And now I am going in with the Revolution London Kohl eyeliner in shade Nude. And then we are going to complete this look with the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is a really hyped mascara which I really wanted to try out. So my first verdict on this is I really like it and I do recommend it. Really good drugstore mascara. And now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty lashes, which is Jade 13 number lash from Huda Beauty. And then now I'm completing this whole look with a brown kohl pencil, which is from Rimmel London. And now on my lips I've applied the lip gloss from M.A.C, Now going in with Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in birthday suit on my lips, which is a very pretty peach tone shade. I was actually initially gonna go with the lip gloss, but then I felt like I need to have some kind of color on my lips, so I went in with that, and then blending Leo shade as well and on the corner of my lips. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.